ATTEN ST-1509, your professional soldering station. This 150-watt digital station delivers industrial-grade performance with rapid heat technology. The vibrant LCD displays real-time temperature, while triple presets temperature allow one-touch operation. Integrated soldering tips achieve 300 degrees Celsius in less than 10 seconds. No warm-up delays. Watch triple preset magic. Button 1 sets 300 degrees Celsius for delicate SMDs. Button 2 jumps to 350 degrees Celsius for standard joints. Button 3 triggers 400 degrees Celsius heavy-duty mode. 3 temperatures, 0 menu diving, perfect for high-volume workflows. Safeguard critical settings with temperature lock. Hold set for 3 seconds to activate, see the lock icon. Now accidental bumps won't disrupt your 0.5 mm IC soldering. Instantly toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. See 716 degrees Fahrenheit appear when switching from 380 degrees Celsius. Global compatibility at your fingertips. Calibrate for absolute accuracy with plus or minus 50 degrees Celsius offsets. Compensate for tip wear or environment factors. Achieve true-to-display temperatures every time. Optimize tip life with standby timer from 1 to 60 minutes. After inactivity, it drops to 200 degrees Celsius, reduces oxidation while maintaining readiness. Set auto sleep duration, 1 to 60 minutes, in SLP menu. Fully powers down when idle. Saves 85% energy versus continuous operation, eco-friendly and cost-effective. Hear the confirmation beep? Default alert signals temperature readiness. Disable via beep setting if preferred. Audible feedback ensures you never miss optimal soldering windows. Activate password protection, 1 to 999, in PSD menu. Prevents unauthorized use, crucial for shared labs. This function is disabled as defaulted, security scales to your needs. Recover default settings. Hold button 1 and 3 simultaneously and enable in FAC menu. Witness speed, room temp to 300 degrees Celsius in just 9.6 seconds. High purity copper transformer enables 93% thermal efficiency. Silicone soldering stand resists high temperature melt-through. Tip storage slots allow instant swaps between jobs. No matter your works are IC pins, through-hole connectors, automotive wiring, or BGA rework, we have the right tips for you. ST-1509, where precision meets productivity. Next-gen soldering starts here.